Hi, welcome to Crew News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm Pichaya Sivakumar. These are the headlines.
Vedanta organization has honored our organization by giving Best Partnership Award. Our Chennai Radha Engineering Works has done many O&M works and many achievements in the industry. Based on these achievements, Vedanta Organization Chairman Mr. Anil Agarwal met us with a video conference and honored our organization by giving Best Partnership Award. And also, he said that since 2005 in Jharsuguda, Balco and Lanjiga site, our organization done its best and he thanked our organization for the wonderful job.
Thank you, Kumar. Thank you very much. Very nice. And heartily congratulations. Grow and anything we can support you will be a pleasure.
Thank you.
Innovation is a key important thing and all the best.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Further, our Managing Director Mr. Sendil Kumar conveyed that their honor encouraged our organization to do the great job in future. And also, he conveyed his thanks for the Best Partnership Award and also he thanked our Chairman Mr. Venkatesan and higher officials and our employees for giving this opportunity.
Can able to maintain and we will try to get the award continuously, sir. First of all, I thank to all the CEOs and all the engineers who are working in the plant, because without their support we cannot able to perform. Whenever we are giving any new innovations, definitely the people are appreciating and accepting. That is the reason we could be able to achieve this target. Once again, my sincere thanks to Chairman Saab. At least it is occasion I could be able to see the Chairman Saab in the video conference. Thanks, sir. Thank you to all of you.
Our organization started a new site called CEPL Coastal Energen Private Limited with a special puja. Our Chennai Radha Engineering Works takes the O&M jobs and doing it in a best way. In continuation with this, we started a new site in Thoothukudi which belongs to STEAG Energy Service O&M organization, 2 into 600 MW coal-based thermal plant. To start this, on May 24 Monday, a special puja has been done in CHP plant control room. In this puja, our director Mr. V.R. Ramu went to the site directly and participated and honored us. Further, in this puja, through video conference, our managing director Mr. V.R. Sendil Kumar, STEAG plant head Mr. B.N. Panda, CEPL plant head Mr. Parameshwaran also participated and higher officials of CEPL also participated and honored us. And our RM Mr. C. Balakrishnan, our higher officials and also our employees participated. Our RWPL mechanical team got appreciation from client for replacing bucket wheel hydraulic motor in the given time. In our organization, we use PM and CBM to know the defects in prior. Our RWPL mechanical team proved that again by replacing the bucket wheel hydraulic motor. Our RWPL team noticed oil leakage in bucket wheel hydraulic motor which is working in CBM. Due to this, in BWSR2 operation, the oil leakage reduces the amount of coal to be taken by the bucket, which increases the time of reliability and bunkering. To solve this issue, our mechanical team explained this to our client and got approval and spare parts to replace the hydraulic motor. The bar chart was for replacing this was prepared and submitted to the client, and also they got the permit clearance. Through the guidance of our site RM Mr. Prem Kumar, our RWPL mechanical team replaced the hydraulic motor with all safety measures. Our client Mr. Vinod Kumar Jindal, AGM of LHS, conveyed his appreciation through mail for completing this job within the given time of 16 hours. Further, our RM Mr. Prem Kumar also appreciated our mechanical team for this wonderful job.
These are the development news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.